I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo and click on Bid Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select VBOUT. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit VBOUT API console. Then click on API Integrations under General Information. Copy this and paste it on Authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose List. Choose Contact Status. Now map the fields. Here is advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to VBOUT. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the VBOUT. Here is the data that came into VBOUT through the integration. Thanks for watching.